Hello students, let us discuss the Rutherford model of an atom. Rutherford experimented with two raw material. One is radioactive element, that is thorium, and another one is the gold foil. Rutherford had taken thorium because thorium emits alpha radiation. Alpha radiations are positively charged. Now he has taken the gold foil because gold is highly malleable. A very thin sheet is possible to get from the gold. Now, suppose this is the gold foil. Let us discuss the experiment now. This is the gold foil, and here the radioactive element is taken. This is thorium, suppose. Thorium is taken here, and in front of it the gold foil is taken. Now, from this thorium, many radiations are emitted. It is going towards the gold foil. After arranging all this, he observed that most of the gold foil, most of the alpha particles which are positively charged, these alpha particles are positively charged, and he observed that most of the alpha particles easily passes through the gold foil, like this. Most of the alpha particles easily passes through the gold foil. Then, observation number 2, he found that a few numbers of alpha particles after hitting on the gold foil bend from their direction, like this. They bend from their direction. They hit on the gold foil, they passes through the gold foil also, but not going straight. They are bending with some angle, like this. And he observed that 1 out of 12,000, approximate value, 1 out of 12,000 particles after hitting on the gold foil return back again. It's hit on the gold foil and return back. So these are the 3 observations observed by Rutherford in his experiment. From this observation, he concluded that since most of the alpha particle easily passes through the gold foil, since alpha particles are also positive, he observed and he explained about it in this way that since most of the alpha particles easily passes through the gold foil, that means many places in the gold foil are empty. Many empty spaces are there in the gold foil, number 1. Number 2, 1 out of 12,000 return back after hitting on the gold foil, and a few numbers after hitting on the gold foil bend from their direction without they are not going straight, but they are bending their direction. From this, he concluded that there must be a positive center in the middle. So when few particles coming closer to this positive center, there is a repulsion because alpha particles are also positively charged. There is a repulsion, so they bend from their direction when they come closer to it. And he told about 1 out of 12,000 when hit on the gold foil return back, because this particle, this 1 out of 12,000, this particular particle when directly hit on the gold foil, that means hitting on this positive center, since both of them are positive, so complete repulsion takes place and it returns back. So this particle cannot pass through the gold foil. So from this particular experiment, from these observations from his experiment, he has given the idea of the structure of the atom. So according to him, according to Rutherford, there is a nucleus in the center which is positively charged, and around the nucleus electrons are, negatively charged particles are revolving. So this was a concept given by Rutherford. Actually, Rutherford discovered the nucleus. Rutherford experimented to find it out the position of the electron and proton inside the nucleus. But when he had done this experiment, he observed that this positively charged one small nucleus or center is there in the center of the atom. And after the discovery of this nucleus and after this experiment, the Rutherford experiment disproved the idea of the Thomson. According to Thomson, the whole sphere atom is positively charged and electrons are embedded inside it. But after the discovery of nucleus, in this Rutherford experiment, in the Rutherford model, it is found that instead of the whole sphere is positively charged, there is a positive center in the middle of the atom, and around it the electrons are revolving. Thank you very much.